This is a contagious disease warning. Unknown disease is bus disease that affect people. Call EAS.com. Message has issued a national report at the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Bus has sharp teeth, size 10, lost venom and thruster. People are dead in this disease.
Breaking news. The incident occurred in Chicago in the early time. Bus was evil and the police were not happy about the incident.
That's why we have to be careful with the way the incident happened and what we know about it. That bus incident starts at 7:00 a.m. and thanks, Paul.
You're welcome, Eric. And thanks again to the News of Chicago. This is Paul. Signing off.
Has been breaking news from CBS 2.
Following message has transmitted with a request for the News of Chicago. The crisis is not stopped by the bus incident. The U.S. government has seen the weapons of the war on the bus universe.
Hi, I'm the President of the United States. I have heard the EAS have been out of control. The crisis will end in 6 p.m.
Hi, I'm also the President of the United States. I have heard the EAS have been out of control. I'm James Jones of U.S. I'm a president.
All clear. The bus incident was ended by bus. You can leave your shelter. Thanks for your cooperation. Let's play the national anthem. Message has been transmitted with a request for the following states. The bus incident still keeps going to the city of Chicago. Bus is heading to Washington, D.C. for the next city. Bus was multiplying 1,000 times in a row. It was roaming down the street in Washington, D.C. Bus was growing as a mutant. Take shelter immediately.
Of Washington, D.C. Bus was growing like a mutant. Bus invaded in the city of Washington, D.C. Take shelter now. Take shelter now. Take shelter now. Bus was evil. The police has reported that bus is evil and was doomed by freaked out people who have a disease. If you know someone who is causing this strange phenomenon, please call our number 215-889-8956. This phenomenon is scary that the people run away from their lives. Call 215-889-8956. This is cool as a partner to know. Here is a message to Eric Jackson about the incident in Washington, D.C. Eric, what do you want to say about the incident?
Hi, I'm Eric Jackson. I'm a president of the United States from America. Did you know why bus is evil?
The following message
message has been transmitted to the News of Washington, D.C. It has been found that the bus service has been going out of control. The army of mutant buses has arrived at Washington, D.C. Take shelter immediately.
Zoe Jones here. Mutant Bus is a very different monster. The news has reported Mutant Bus.
Peter Carson here. I am the President of the United States. Mutant Bus is not the...
The following message has been transmitted to the News of the United States and Washington, D.C. Mutant Bus has formed a group that the city has been investigating since its invasion. The crisis will be stopped by the war. 6:00 a.m. The incident occurred in Washington, D.C. Agreed, Sam.
The following message has been transmitted to the News of Washington, D.C. Mutant Bus is turning normal. The bus driver can drive the bus. The United Nations has been saved. That's all the bus incident started. Thanks to all.